Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I just got back from Home Depot with the fasteners we needed, and I ended up picking up another power tool. I really like this multi-tool sander, but it's not very powerful, so hopefully this belt sander will allow us to smooth down all of my uneven cuts. Let's finish this shoe bench coat rack for the entryway hallway area. It is starting to look like a thing. Still not very square. I have given up on making fine furniture until I get a miter and table saw. Went with 4 3-inch wood screws to hold the top in place. Let's try to figure out how to make that back part. Got the middle part on there. I went with only 1 pocket hole screw just because I don't think we're gonna put too much weight on there, and we'll figure out how to use that long piece of plywood to go on either side. It's not very square, so I'm thinking I have to cut the plywood at an angle. We will see. I think I got really lucky. The 7-inch piece that was ripped from either the bed or nightstand fits pretty well. Did 2 here and 3 on the sides. I forgot to do this one, but I think it will hold. It's already fastened in, so too lazy to take it out. Going to use the skinny piece for the middle and the other one for the top. Let's get those cut. I probably just made the worst mistake for this build, and I should have known. I cut on the wrong side of the line, so this thickness there is the kerf of the blade. I should have been cutting on the waist side, but we got a shelf. Let's make the top part. I got the top glued and clamped down with a few brad nails. This one's also the same, brad nails and glue. It is so not straight. This is why I am making a beginner DIY YouTube channel. I am very excited to use my new toy. Hopefully we could get the belt sander going to smooth things out a little bit. That was pretty fun. I think the sanding definitely helps with corners with a little bit of overlap to make them more flat and even. This is my first time using wood filler. I don't know if it will work for that big gap over there and over there. I am wearing a hat, which I normally don't do because it's pretty hot in Southern California. Going to wait for everything to dry and apply the stain later. The stain is done. It's pretty messy. I try to clean really hard, but can't get the pieces under my nail. I did not do the back because I figured nobody's gonna see it. It's a little bit darker than I was expecting. Going to let it dry for a few hours and then move it inside. Just brought it inside. We have the shoes that we wear pretty regularly. This is my wife's purse, and it's very crooked, but it's fully functional. Video 58 done.